If you take anything from this video, never root for Auburn. Hey guys, it's Zoe, and today I am going to be taking you with me through this weekend. We're kind of turning a bad situation into a good situation. We are going to be in the middle of Hurricane Irma, so we decided that we're going to go up to Alabama. At nighttime, we are about to start heading out. We're going at nighttime, so hopefully the traffic isn't too bad. It is Thursday. Of course, the puppy is coming with, obviously. Good morning. Good morning, puppy. How do you feel about being in Bama? Yay! I have to say something, I don't want it in the vlog. Okay. Anyway, we have we have like an hour. Okay, so we have about an hour left of the drive. How's everybody feeling?
Decent. We just ate, so it's okay.
Yeah, we just had Chick-fil-A. It was really good. So. Update. We made it to the room. Very excited. Okay, so we're gonna go to dinner tonight. So I'm gonna do my makeup, get my outfit on, and I will see you guys when I'm ready. So this is the finished makeup and look for dinner. I still have no idea where we're going, but we'll figure it out. So yeah, so we are walking around in Tuscaloosa. We're right by the stadium. We're just kind of strolling, looking at a future college, but you know, it's like low-key lit. You're so extra. Okay, so it is the next morning. We are about to go to the Alabama football game, and I'm so excited. And I'm actually going to be able to get on the field because I got a cheerleader like recruit pass, I guess you could say, and he's getting recruited for football, and it's a good day, and I'm excited. And
I get to go because we're both going.
Yeah, and I'm gonna do my makeup in the car. Okay, so we are here. We're about to go on a tour for his little like recruitment thing. How you feeling? You tired? Yeah, he's still waking up because he took a nap in the car. Yeah, it's a lot of time in the car. I spent it wisely, but this one spent it even more wisely by sleeping, so. That's what I said. Whip!
Where are we now?
We're in a store.
Nice.
I never want to leave. It's so sad. Like, can I be enrolled in college now? Like, please. We're running because we're late to pick up the dog. The game's over. How was the game? It was good. So yeah, we're headed back to the car. I have to go pick up the puppy from the daycare. Aww. The puppy's so happy we're back. Now we are going to be headed to Georgia, but we took a stop in Buffalo Wild Wings to watch some of the football games.
We're watching Clemson and Auburn. Well,
I never thought I'd root for Clemson. I am right now. No Auburn. Never root for Auburn. If you take anything from this video, never root for Auburn. Hi, okay, so quick update. I didn't film a lot last night, tired from the game. I was also really sad that I had to admit the fact that I was leaving Alabama because that was literally like one of the best days of my life. I'm gonna do everything I can to go there for college. Right now we are in Georgia because we drove to our friend's house last night after the game because we needed a place to stay. We're just finding a way to miss the storm, but also get back to our house as soon as the storm passes it. So once we figure it out, I'll let you guys know. But
Wow, how low!
That must have hurt really bad.
oh, I didn't even. Not as bad as you expected it, but still hurt.
Driving with Zoe.
We have a driving with Zoe segment. We also have blankets because it's chilly. I don't know where I'm going. Zoe's tour guide of Georgia. Over there we have a school that looks like it was built in the 1700s. I want to turn on a blinker and then there is no blinker.
Lois Turner when there's no one on the road.
I want to be safe. That looks haunted. Those look haunted. People go to class in that?
Those are portables, honey.
My lord, those are the sketchy portables I've ever seen. Ah, it's cold! This flood was not built for this weather.
Wait, okay, I played a song.
On this road?
Yes.
And that's safe?
Just go.
People will murder people down here.
Know him.
Really? You know him?
Wait, you know him?
You are so lucky. Your eyes are blessed.
He was cute.
Love Georgia boys. And Alabama boys. Why
Honestly.
are everybody cute except for Florida boys? Why is this my life?
Don't bring around the clouds to rain on my parade.
We're about to get complaints from neighbors.
Here's a car.
We're going out.
Golf cart. Golf cart. Golf cart.
I'm down to move here like now. And I've seen more cute boys on this one drive than I have in my entire school.
That way.
We're sitting here and two golf carts of guys start whistling at her and saying, hey. So a group of guys just came by saying that the four guys were looking for us. Hi.
The next day, hurricane has passed Florida now, but we're doing it right now because there's like barely any traffic. So. We are back home. So far it looks like none of the windows are broken yet. No big tree has fallen in our property. Obviously branches are messed up, but everything in the garage is okay. So I'm going to go take a look at the house, see if anything is damaged or if we're all in the clear.
Oh, everything's perfect.
Hey, Zach. No funny.
My room is all good. Yes, everything. Thank the Lord, everything is okay. So 3 pull screens got blown out. Other than that, we are all good. So, okay. So it's been a weekend. We found out that school is going to be canceled for the rest of the week. I am completely in love with the University of Alabama. I'm still wearing this because it was too precious. I didn't want to lose it. But going to Alabama was the best thing ever. Like, it's like, oh, it was so awesome. It was like coming home. Thank you guys for watching. All of my social medias, my Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, Livey, is all down in the description. If you want to go check that out, that'd be really cool. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. Make sure to like this video if you did like it. Comment suggestions for videos down below of what you want to see, because that really does help me out. I will see you guys next time I post a video. So yeah, bye guys.